Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair, out here on this beautiful day here in Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2020 Freedom Express 293 RLDS, kind of a long mouthful there. But it's a rear lounge, it's comfortable living, it has a nice east-west coast bed. I want to show you the bedroom in this. It's kind of one of its highlights that it's got going on. As you make your way around this coach, you'll notice it's got a nice front windshield here. It's got lights, accent lights, front cap. It's a Freedom Express, so it's kind of a higher line model of the Coachmen line. It's got your jack controls here. We'll put 2 new batteries there. Here's your propane tanks. And kind of as you come down the side, you'll notice you're going to have a triple slide unit. You're going to have a large awning with a light underneath it, a scare light up here on the front, frameless windows, metal latches. They're slam latches, affectionately called. Magnetic catches, nice storage all the way through there. And I like to call them slam latches because you literally just drop it and it clicks right on there. As you make your way around, you'll notice this also has an awning out here too for your slide out that impedes kind of your entertaining area, so you have a double awning, be able to hang out. So they've kind of designed this to cater to that. Nice solid step as far as an entry step. And if we want to make our way in there, we'll go check out the bedroom in the front end first. So you come in the door, you take a right, and you got your nice bedroom quarters here. You're going to have east-west coast bed that goes out in a slide out, so you have a room bedroom that you can actually kind of get around. For a trailer, it's kind of unique that way. Couch kind of up front in here, storage in round and behind this, storage all the way across the front. Storage, we like that. Can't have enough storage. East-west coast bed allows you to get around in here, which is nice with a TV stand or whatever you'd like. You're kind of a dresser, if you will. You can turn around there and go in the bathroom. Bathroom is enterable for both sides. Little counter space, storage, nice corner shower. And the head, this bathroom is pretty convenient, very large, spacious as well. And then this back room on this is really nice. It has a lot of extra countertops, a lot of storage, nice seating. Your kitchen with solid surface countertops, your fridge, a pantry, large dinette, entertaining area, all visible, all be able to talk and hang out. Great for entertaining, great space for family and friends to hang out. Couch makes into a bed. Reclining chairs back here in the back. Nice large dinette also makes into a bed. Fireplace, TV, extra counter space here. But that's about it for this unit. If you'd like to see this or anything out here at Guaranty RV, my name is Kirk.Blair. I'm Captain Kirk. My personal cell phone is 541-601-8742. I am happy to help you with anything out here at Guaranty. Have a great day.